Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Microsoft price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the all-time history for Microsoft, we are looking at an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse finished wave A or wave 1. After both case scenarios, we are looking at ABC corrective, which it might be wave B or your wave 2. Now on the linear chart, you can see that of course this wave 2 took exactly the green box or the golden box for a wave 2, meaning higher potential that you might be, yes, in a wave 2 here, looking for a wave 3, then 4 and a 5, even for higher prices. In case that this is a wave B, you are looking therefore for a zigzag ABC, of course, where the wave C might only hit the 1-to-1 fib level or the uncommon target as 0.618. Now on the logarithmic chart, you did not reach even the 0.23, which is of course tending to be much more like a wave B rather than a wave 2 here, and you're looking for a wave C toward the upside here. The uncommon target at 858 can be, of course, a potential scenario in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. If we dive deeper inside this wave on the daily chart here, we can see, of course, the following wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still need to be finished toward the upside. After having, as expected before, we were expecting, of course, the price action might hit this area exactly in the blue box where we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave C and a wave 4 and start to move for higher prices. And here we go. So if we move or we dive deeper inside it here, you can see, of course, that you have finished a potential impulse, or I would say a leading diagonal here, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now the wave 3 is a little bit longer than the wave 1, but still, of course, possible for the new rules of Elliott wave international, meaning this might be, of course, here a diagonal, guys, as a wave 1, and we are looking at a wave 2 here finished, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, or even I would call this as a big wave 1, 2 here, wave 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, I would say this is a wave 3, 4, and a 5 here that we are looking at, and potentially we might still unfold something as a wave 4 next. Basically, a wave 4, if you have topped here for this wave, so if we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in a lower count here, meaning you are looking for a wave 3 finish, you're looking for this wave 4. This wave 4 might, of course, hit around this area, and you might see, of course, a wave 4 around the 446 next as 0.23 fib level, 3 waves down, and then continuation toward the upside. Let me move even much more inside it on the 1 hour chart to see, of course, what do we have. Do we have a wave 5 finished or not yet? This is your wave 4 here given. So if we take a look at this leg here, which it might be your wave 5 here, you have potentially 1, 2, and wave 3. This is an impulse finished. Wave 4 did not interfere with zone 1, so everything is perfect, I would say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 is 1, 2, 3. Maybe one more leg toward the upside would be preferable, of course, to make this impulse much more remarkable. Yeah, so basically you might have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, and this is your wave 4 unfolding after a wave 2 here. It might be a little bit longer range before you get a wave 5 and then moving toward the downside. So I believe that, yeah, the things are a little bit a little bit closer for this scenario, that we might see something like this and then moving toward the upside, guys, and again a bullish scenario. Right, so basically you can still have one more leg, but it's not really very strong, I would say, and then 4 and a 5 later on to see it, of course, unfolding. Those fib level, of course, are going to vary based on where we top. So I would say the wave 4 is yet not clear. I would say it's better to have much more insights or data here to see what it might happen next. So if we take a look a little bit on the indicators, I would like to see a little bit if we have topped somehow. Yes, Yeah, basically, if you take a look here, you can see kind of like those stops on the RSI here start to open kind of like a divergence, and especially this one after it. It is a confirmation for bearish actually. Can be, guys. So let me check also here. Yes, so I think we are moving down, guys. Also, the momentum here on the MACD, of course, after this bearish cross also starting there, the momentum is reducing, bearish signal, and then we might move toward the downside. So I would say yes, we might have seen, of course, we might see, of course, lower prices, I would say. All right, we might see lower prices right now, and it might be your wave 5 finished or not yet. But preferably, guys, I prefer to see, of course, a wave 4 a little bit longer. So maybe this is your wave 4 here for this potential scenario, meaning like this. All right. So I would say one more low, then one more high, and then moving for this wave 4 in the white scenario. So I would say somehow like that, guys. Here we go. Bearish. All right, so yeah, why? Because I would like to see a wave 4 double in time of your wave 2 here. This wave 2, I don't see any wave 4 reflecting it or alternating with it, yeah? So I would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very remarkable, and then moving for wave 4. Yep. Target, therefore, if we want to be precise here a little bit more, let's move inside it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so basically this can be the target for a wave 4. Are we close? We are. Well, yes, we are close. We are close, but the timing is not nice, honestly. So if you have a wave 4 in time here, yeah, we're very close to it, but perfection is 1-to-1 fib level for a wave 4. Yeah, so I believe this box exactly here, even the double time would be preferable. So in this blue box here is preferable as ABC and then moving toward the upside. 466 can be, of course, the 0.38 here. And yeah, so in this case scenario, I would say let's put this a little bit bigger brackets white. This is white also. And then we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 not finished in a gray. Okay, here we go. That's much more yeah, visible. Okay, so that was it for Microsoft, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.